go to Battery Park. Fort Clinton is where you catch the boats to the Statue of Liberty, right over here in Battery Park. Fort Clinton directly ahead, the round stone building. That's where you would catch boats to the Statue of Liberty. The Bowling Green subway station, and the side view of the old Customs House, the Native American Museum. Public restrooms over here on the other side of this green. This is a community vegetable garden. I see corn. It looks like string beans or peas. The silver building over there is a very nice carousel, but it's all marine characters, fish and different types of marine animals instead of horses. And let's go inside Fort Clinton. There's the Statue of Liberty over in the distance in the water. It looks like the fort is open. Castle Clinton, sorry, not fort. Looks like a fort though. Sandstone Fort was built in 1811 as one of the 5 forts erected to defend New York Harbor.
Hello.
Hey, how are you?
Good. Are you looking for tickets today?
No, for the statue?
Well,
No.
Oh, yeah. All right,
No,
sorry.
I don't want to do the
All right,
statue.
well, if you need restrooms, are to the left.
Okay, thank you. And this is the old castle fort. Grant's tomb is a monument at the Upper West Side, largest mausoleum in the United States. An old cannon sticking out of the castle fort wall, aimed toward the water. 28 guns. So this is a 1700s building versus all this modern architecture. This is the boats to the Statue of Liberty through here. And this is a tour of Castle Clinton. And let's continue through Battery Park. Cool doors. And we're outside Castle Clinton, heading south through Battery Park. This is a Jewish immigrant statue here. Sorry, it's all immigrants. The first guy's wearing a yarmulke, so it's first one depicts a Jewish man arriving. Statue of Liberty in the distance. The cruise boats for the statue. This is a war memorial. United States Army, United States Coast Guard, United States Air Force, United States Navy. And beautiful views of New York Harbor. Ellis Island. It's a Staten Island ferry leaving the statue. And over this way is Governor's Island. The Staten Island ferry leaving. And this is called the American Battle Monuments Commission. And we have an American Eagle large bronze statue. And nice view of the statue. Over this is the carousel. Staten Island Ferry. Let's walk over to Carousel. I doubt if it's open, but it is a beautiful carousel. And no, it is not currently in operation. It's called the Sea Glass Carousel, and it's all marine themed. Very nice. All indoors. And that is it for Battery Park. Thanks for watching.